Hello again, it's Pete from PBT Installations, here from the sunny France. While I'm on holiday, I thought I'll share a few ideas, and if you watch the previous couple, it will be a continuation of those earlier videos. So, heat pumps, okay, as I mentioned in the previous one, we can heat with them and we can generate hot water, but what about cooling? Okay, so heat pumps that we install are capable of cooling. All in one box. They will do heating in the winter, they will do cooling in the summer, and in the meantime they will constantly provide you with hot water. So cooling is something that is becoming more and more of an issue or requirement. Back in the UK is yet again 30 odd degrees. Beautiful time to be in the UK. I think everybody should be making the most of it while we are having this fantastic weather. We are obviously in France and having pretty much the same weather here. Loving the temperatures. Obviously we can pop down to the sea and refresh. But going back to the cooling side of things, I think it's important to know that you don't have to have an air conditioning unit and a heat pump. So you don't need two systems, you just need one. You need one system to do heating, hot water, that's what we already know about, and the systems will also provide cooling in the summer months. The important thing is, and this is where we're still learning, don't get me wrong, we're having multiple conversations with different manufacturers, different products that we're looking at, how we can actually provide the cooling inside the properties and a system that can do heating and cooling. Now we've got a couple which I will mention in the next videos, just to make sure that everybody is happy. The whole idea of what we're trying to do at PBT Installations is that we provide you with a system, and I think this is an important one. We understand what our heat pumps are capable of doing and how that can help you. Heating, cooling, energy efficiency, how we're using the electricity, and all of that being as one bundle. So this is what I'm going to tell you a few more things about in the next few videos. So be sure to watch them. Pete from PBT Installations. See you on the next one.